Now today's topic is ngSwitch. Okay, let us build this ngSwitch in the application. What I'm going to do in my header component, step one is I'm creating an age with the number equal to 0. Okay, I'm going to create a age is 10, something like that. Now, when the age is 10, I need to say age is 10 in the development. In the header component, I'm going to use a div ng switch equal to age. Okay. Now you see ngSwitch equal to age, it is working fine. Now I'm going to have one more div here, ngSwitch case equal to 10. I'll say the age is 10 years old. 10 years old. See, age is 10 years old or not? A bit of case sensitive. So if the age I'm passing here 10, if I pass 20 here in my header component.ts, I close this one. If I pass 20 here, you will not see a div. Why it is not taking? Okay, I need to have a div. ngSwitch default. Age is age. Yes. Both are working. Switch is not working.
Let's define a increment variable there in first line, sir.
Yeah.
After that, we can define, I think, initialize the counter, I think. After ng switch.
Not required. Not required.
Here, if you got state and
Yeah.
Not required. Hold on a second.
Double equal to in second line. Equal to. Maybe I'm wrong.
You made a mistake like this. It should be a property binding. ngSwitch.
Sir, yesterday's class in the for case we use a star. Was it applicable here also or not?
No, it is not applicable.
Oh,
You meant to say this one?
yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, correct.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Yeah, it is working.
It is not working.
Huh?
Syntax for C also we need to make a
20 equal to double quotes 20 value.
Yes. Now if I pass 10,
that is uppercase C also, yeah.
yeah, fine.
Yes, it is
So now you
working.
understand, right? I think we made a mistake only this one and this one. Okay. So this is how it is. Now, if you pass anything on ngSwitch, if you pass the age based on the page, you are going to create the DOM element. This is called ngSwitch. Anybody have any questions on this?
Let's have default also. Show us default.
Yeah. Who's that?
Shiva.
Okay, fine. So now here, div star ng switch default. Age is age, years, go back. I said 30. See, age is
Yeah,
30
yeah.
years old.
Yeah.
Now, if I give 45, age is 40 years old. So the problem is you need to use this star and you need to make this case sensitive. Okay. Harika, you are understand? Harika,
Hello?
you understand?
Yes, sir, I'm understanding.
Sir, can you go for the previous page? You are assigning the values. Show me that page, please.
Just a variable.
Okay.
Just a variable I am passing. I'm just giving
Okay.
20.
Okay. Okay, got it.
Okay. What will happen? Here 20. Now what you need to do is when you get the value, you need to say that the entered age is whether the anything age greater than 18 should be valid for OT. Okay. So let's try that kind of example. Okay. So how to do that? Can anyone tell me first? Let's go here. Let's design the HTML component first. I'm removing and keeping this into Notepad. First, I'll create div class equal to some form page. Okay. And this form page, I'm going to have a one more div. You will have a label. Say enter the age. Okay. And then you will have input type equal to number. Okay. In this div, I'm having this. The moment when I click on age, you will have a button here. And say here submit. Okay. You will have a button here and say here submit. Once you've done this form, then what you need to do, Go to form page. Form page you select. Go here, component. Here you say display flex. Okay.
Sir, indicate before dot.
Column, and you say margin 0 pixel center. You remember yesterday we faced the issue. Margin 0, sir, you can make 20 pixel center. Okay. Hey, what, Ra? Margin 20 pixel center only. And then width 400 pixel. Flex wrap. Okay. So these give your value. Now you see you got the enter age, and then you provide a border 5 pixel solid red. But why it is not coming? And then you have to give padding 10 pixel. Okay, fine. But why it is not center?
Justify content.
Yeah, you make justify contents. No, that does not come. No, margin 0 pixel center only it should come. We'll do one thing. Div center align. Div center in page.
Align items in center.
Yesterday also I did the same thing, man. Margin. Okay, 10 pixel auto. Now you got it. It is not, this should be auto. Anything you can put text and auto, and then border 5 pixel solid red. Now you see you got the border. Now simply say margin top 30 pixel. You got the top. Now then you have padding. Okay, you got the point? Everybody got it? Say yes or no?
Yeah, yes.
Shashi, Ishwar, everybody.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. I'm good.
The point here is only small thing you need to use this to make center. Okay. To make center margin, you have to make auto and tell that what is the pixel. Once you've done that, your flex will automatically become a margin center. Now, sir, I want to have a box shadow for this margin. What you need to do is simply say box shadow 10 pixel, 10 pixel, black. You got it? Now you got the box shadow. Will it is a round border? Border is rounded? No, right?
No,
So
no.
simply say here box hyphen radius. Sorry, border hyphen radius, say 10%. Better to have a pixel. Now you got the box shadow and everything?
Yeah.
Yes or no?
Yes.
This is very big fit. Now in this fit, if you look into here, these guys is not fit in a problem. So what you need to do is, you need to add a one more called flex direction column. Now you see, because these two are two different divs. This is one div and this is another div. What will happen? You need to make this direction. So what you need to do, you have to apply label for this label. So what you need to do here, div label font size 25 pixel. Now you got the 25 pixel. Now text align center. Now I have one more text wrap. You got it? Now you need to have a padding. And you need to have margin bottom. You got a space. Now you go here in the div to say margin 10 pixel, padding 10 pixel. Now you got the screen properly? Say yes or no?
Yes.
Yeah, yes.
Everybody. Harika, Mailswani,
Yes, sir.
Natiba, Satish.
This one forward I put. How did you do like URL from
Come
the
again?
terminal command prompt? This output command prompt through terminal. How did you do?
This one?
Yes. Build ng builder.
This is the way.
Can you tell me one?
This is the one. To go and see exercise. And then simply you have to use CD. Something is already running. Okay. So you just go to run terminal. Okay. And then you have to make CD exercise. What happened?
Give present PWD Present working directory. Already, I think you are in that folder.
Not required. Okay.
Now we can ls. No, ls. Yeah. Spelling mistake it seems. Yeah, cd that.
Exercise. Okay. So this is how you have to go. And then you have to use ngServe -open. Okay, let me show you. I'll close this. I'm also closing this. Simply go to terminal first. Okay. Understand? Here cd exercise, and then you have to say gopen. Now it is getting. You understand? Harika?
Yes, I understood.
Okay, so this is how we have to do. Now you see there is a button. Now you need to highlight this button CSS. So how I'm going to do that? Apply the button CSS. Can anyone tell me how to apply button CSS?
Sir, inside button tag, first clear tag,
Button, background,
background,
navy, color, white. Right? Now you say padding 20 pixels so that your button should be more high. Somewhat it is okay. And then you can say border radius 3 pixels. Now you see it looks like a button. Say yes or no.
Yeah. Yes.
Now whenever I entered here, it has to this. If the age is 18, it automatically say here you are valid for OT. That is the logic you need to build. So first, how to bind data from this text box. Now go back. Now before that, your text box font is very low, right? So let's take and design one more, saying that div. You simply say here div input type equal to text. Okay. Why it is not working? Or simply say input type time being, because we are not going to use anything, right? Input here font size 22 pixel. You got it? And here you have to say margin 5 pixel. Not here. In the label you say margin -bottom 5 pixel, so that you can get the margin. Okay. And you can define here. Okay, already I have a bottom. Text line left. Okay. Now you can enter data, but there is a gap should be there between the age and this one. Let me work out that one later point of time. Okay. So now what you need to do in the div, you put here padding 20 pixels so that at least it will give some space. Now you see padding is coming. Now this is fit. Now what I want to do, I want to enter. Before enter in the TS file, I created a age, right? So I'm going to call this age to my text box. How to do that? To call this age, what you need to do? Which property, which binding we need to use?
ng model.
Ng model. Okay. Go to HTML. Here, to do ng model, first curly braces and then brace ng model equal to age. Now you see, you got the 20. If you change it 10, it automatically gets changed. Okay. When you click on submit, on submit click or btn click, btn submit is your function. Okay. btn submit is your function. When you make submit is your function, I'm going to have a boolean show vote boolean equal to true as of now. Okay, why I'm going to do here is another div. I'm going to create div under h1. This age is valid for voting. Understand my point? This age is valid for voting. Now you see here, this age is valid for voting. Now take this h1, reduce your font. You can apply h1 also. h1, say font size 20 pixel. Now it is valid. Say yes or no?
Yeah.
Now what you need to do, when you click a submit, this age valid will be validated. How you will do the validation means here, if age greater than equal to 18, okay, this dot show vote equal to, is it correct? Okay, you have to put here this dot age, and then else this dot show vote equal to false. Understand my point? Say yes or no?
Yeah. Yes.
Okay, now in the HTML, in the div, I want to decide based on the true or false of show vote. How to create this div? How to make this div a structure? We discussed our first topic yesterday's. How to define the decorator?
ng if
No. Just hidden equal to true or false, or what is that we did?
Not equal to show hide something.
Not equal to show hide. What you are saying? I don't understand.
Okay.
Hello. I simply bring this show vote here. That's all right. We will do. What are suddenly it is not coming into my mind. Star ng if equal to
Let.
why let is for
Okay, got it. Sorry.
show what. It's correct only, right?
Show what already. Let's debug otherwise in Chrome browse window.
Boss, it will not work.
We missed a click event, yeah. Event handle.
Okay. It is not coming. If I give 18, if I give 19, if I give 17, okay. Understand my point?
Yes. If conditional,
Yes, sir.
yes.
We made a mistake that we never added the click event and we are trying to call the function. How it will work? See, simple. Your HTML is very less. What we did, we created a class div. Okay, this is your main div. This div you are making as flex here. Display flex direction column, justify content, align item center, width you are giving 400, margin, border. You don't need, if you want, you take this one, margin top, padding, if you want, you can use it. Box shadow you are having, border radius. All these are related to flex. Okay, that is why this flex comes like this. Okay, now if you want to have a border radius, you change this one also. Instead of big thing, you make it as 3 pixels so that it will be very less. Somewhat it is good. Okay. Now, if you want to put a background color also, you can put a background color of this. On top of that, in the div, you no need this div margin, let it be. And in the label you are designing, what is your size, text align, margin top, padding, everything you are adding, and then input, and then H1 background. Everything you made it in the CSS so that this design is comes. Now, in the header component, you're creating an age. Okay, this age, whenever user enter into a text box with the help of ng model, I'm going to get the age. First point. The second point, whenever the user clicks a submit button, you need to call a method button click. Okay, button submit. In that button submit, if age is greater than equal to 18, you have to create a Boolean flag. This Boolean flag, this dot show vote equal to true, else this dot show equal to false. Once you've done that, this vote button, you are going to the HTML saying that if the div is true, you show this H1. If the div is false, you don't show this H1. That's it. In a single concept, I'm using this functionality. Anybody have any questions?
No, sir.
Anybody have any questions? Shiva, Sushma, Judy?
No.
No, sir.
Other than NGF, can we try other way?
Which one?
Property kind of. No, it's not a property. Yeah, we can't. NGF only we can. We can't check property. Yes, no doubt, sir. All.
So tomorrow, class component, class and other stuff, we can create a builder, a form builder. I will give you one scenario. You guys can try over the weekend. I'll give you one scenario to you guys. To take here, this is your form. Okay. Here, you collect a personal detail. Here you collect a qualification detail. When you click on submit, you just design this form. Okay, Monday we will do this. Okay.
Oh, yeah.
Anybody have any questions?
NG style also covered, sir.
Yes.
Yesterday, huh?
Yeah, Monday I will cover.
Okay.
Monday I will cover the NG style. NG class and NG style I will cover on Monday.
Validations,
What validations?
form validations, reactive form.
Wait. It will all take time.
Yeah.
Don't worry. Don't be worried. Okay.
Yeah, sure.
First, I need to go with the one by one steps. Okay. Anybody have any questions? Ganesh, Ishwar, Shiva, Sushma,
No, sir, I'm good.
Ishwar?
Sir, no questions, sir. But,
Sushma?
one thing, instead of input or edit field, the arrow will be displayed. I don't need that.
Which one?
Please, UI, yes, 20, yes, that arrow button.
This
What
is
the
text.
solution?
When you make your input text as type equal to number, it will automatically.
Okay, sir. I don't need that arrow button, but this is the solution.
No. It
With
will
any
be.
option.
Anything you become HTML as type equal to number, by default, it is the future. You can't restrict it. Okay. Otherwise, you need to write a JavaScript.
But real-time applications or input field also be number or entered to age our age, but not
You
given
do
to.
enter as well as you do this one also. You no need to worry much on this. Nobody will think about it. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Anybody else? Anybody have any questions? Shiva, Shushma, Judy.
No.
No, sir.
Okay, then we'll meet on Monday. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.